Hi guys, this is Junior. My steering wheel, the Kia Cerato Coupe GDI, second generation. You can hear the noise in the bed coupling. I need to change the steering coupling. I just bought it, guys. I'm gonna change it on my own. I don't need to go to a mechanic because I'm a right. I can change this just by simply looking on the videos on YouTube. Guys, this is very easy. Don't let anyone lie to you. They'll tell you there's complications. There's no any complications. Just make sure you take pictures of everything. See the noise is there, especially those components that you're going to disconnect there. Just take pictures of them. That's it. Thanks guys. I'll upload the other video when I'm done.